Hey everybody, it's Todd. It's Tuesday the 8th. I went out and voted today. I hope you did too. I just wanted to give you the Tuesday update, the Tuesdays with Todd update. I know last week in my video I talked quite a bit about flow testing, and that's definitely what we're going to go to next. This portion right here is what we're currently running, and I got hopefully what I'm going to consider my new and improved model back there. But we're going to take this over there. I got a stack of cylinder heads right here. We're going to take all these over there and take all those over there and bolt them on. You know, just I need to learn how these things actually work and make power. You know, over the summer I really focused on, you know, the mechanical end of it, making sure, you know, all my gear meshes right, you know, I'm not rubbing anything, everything's perpendicular, square, you know, perfect that way. And I've basically tore all my motors apart that I've ran all summer long, and I'm telling you, they look great. They look better than anything I've ever seen. I think it's really something to be said about the billet aluminum block and the rigidity of it. But anyway, so we're gonna get this over there, get those flow tested out, see what combination works, and then we're gonna start right in on building some 790 engines to go test them. And this is also going to be the base test for my new Outlaw port design, because if this, you know, works as good as I think it's going to, I've definitely figured out the errors of my way, so we'll get right into making a new Outlaw engine. And I'm really hoping, down in Georgia, they got a race over the Thanksgiving weekend. I think we leave Thanksgiving night, travel most of the day, most that night, most of the day, get down there, hopefully with two engines to test, a new 790 engine and a new Outlaw engine. That's what I'm hoping for, that's what I'm shooting for, but that's 3 weeks away. I don't know how many weeks away it is. You know, I'm kind of curious about the turnout for that race too. If anybody knows out there, you know, what kind of turnout they're expecting, or if you're going, you know, let me know. I'm really curious of how many people might show up for that race. It'd be great to get 50 to 100 cars down there. I think that would be awesome. Definitely be a better way to spend your Thanksgiving weekend than sitting around looking through Black Friday ads. Anyways, we also have, you know, a couple more blanks ready to go, so if I get some new data that leads me in a different direction, I can get, you know, cutting those right away and get right back over there. I'm looking to crank this out. We have, you know, got all kinds of different intake manifold lengths, diameters, tapers, pitch. I mean, they're all different. I want to take a whole bunch of parts over there and just spend the day flowing stuff. Another thing we're gonna do is I'm gonna test out one of these PVL coils, see how they perform. You know, you're out there and you read about them. Some people rave about them and say they're great. You know, they don't retard the timing at higher RPMs, and other people say they bought them, put them on, and they don't notice any difference. So I want to find out for myself what kind of gains you can get from that. So there's my update on what we got going on, what direction we're heading, and what kind of time frame. So hope you enjoy. We'll see you next Tuesday.